Good morning, students. In our last video, we were discussing about resonance. We talked there what is resonance and there some examples and their conditions, that what are the conditions or what are their recommendation for resonance. And I told you first that is conjugation, right student? So students, in this video I am going to talk about conjugation. Students, resonance only take place where is conjugated system is present. So student, what is conjugated system? First see its definition. Conjugation is the delocalization of pi orbital electrons in the alternative single and multiple bond systems. They bring the stability for the molecule. Well student, that means the system having parallel p orbitals along with at least pi electron pair, means because of pi electron pair resonance is taking place. Let us see what are the conditions or what are the different types of conjugated system. See students, these 6 types of conjugated system here where resonance take place. See student, first is double bond conjugated with positive charge or vacant p orbital. Second is double bond is conjugated with negative charge, means here full filled p orbitals, full filled p orbitals. Okay students, and next is double bond is conjugated with lone pair, means p orbital with lone pair. And fourth is double bond is conjugated with double bond, pi orbital overlaps. Next is positive charge, means vacant p orbital conjugated with lone pair. And last, second one is, here is double bond students, double bond, sorry, here is negative charge is conjugated with vacant d orbital. See students, here is vacant d orbital na, then surely here must be negative charge. Okay, negative charge is conjugated with vacant d orbital. These 6 conditions or these 6 conjugated systems are there. Definitely they show particular molecule show the resonance. This is excellent trick students to identify that particular molecule are showing resonance or not. Let us see the first case, double bond conjugated with positive charge. Here first case student, double bond conjugated with positive charge. And I am writing the example, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 plus, right student? Students, what happens here? Here this pi electron delocalization taking place to this single bond, right student? And formation of this molecule CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2. Students, this pi electron shifts here and it gets positive charge here, and this single bond convert into double bond, right student? Are you getting my points? And like this molecule formation is going on, and due to this pi electron delocalization it gets positive charge, CH2 gets positive charge, and this single bond gets pi electron and converted into double bond. And now I am going to represent molecular orbital diagram to understand the concept. See clearly, here is molecular orbital diagram. See, all 3 carbons are here, and now this 2 hydrogen I can show like this. Oh, right student? And here these 2 hydrogens Okay student, now and this CH and this is double bond. It double bonds or pi bond means here is p orbital and here is also p orbital, and here positive charge here. These carbon all are sp2, right student? CH2 double bond CH, it means this carbon sp2 hybridized, and this carbon also sp2 hybridized, and this carbon also sp2 hybridized. All three carbons are sp2 hybridized. So students, sp2 hybridization means one p orbital is unhybridized here. One sp2 hybridized hybridized carbon means one p orbital is unhybridized, and like this same sp2 hybridized and one p orbital is unhybridized. Okay students, and this part double bond means these p orbitals overlaps like this. These pi double bond means these p orbitals overlaps and get formation of pi bond. And here positive charge means this p orbital is vacant, okay, right student? These p orbitals get overlaps, and this p orbital positive charge means this p orbital is vacant. Now what happens here? Two electrons means overlapping, these pi electrons shifting here like this. See student, these pi electrons shifting take place at that carbon, and we get this molecule. Students, we get this molecule means pi bond electron shifts here, and this we get this molecule means this carbon get positive charge and this carbon gets double bond, right student? Like this. See, here at same structure students, same structure. I am drawing same structure, and here is positive charge, and see students, here is pi orbital, both pi orbitals, but here what is changing here? Here is positive pi orbital vacant, and here overlapping. These pi electron shifts now what we get? We get this molecule here, this carbon having pi orbitals and this carbon having positive charge. See students, are you getting my point students? This is molecular diagram, and this is conjugation students. If electron shifting take place, it means these two orbitals or pi electrons are overlapping here. It means they are in conjugation, and where conjugation is present, their resonance take place, and where resonance take place, your resonance is present, the molecule get lowers in its energy. The molecule lower its energy and get more stability, right student? Let us see next condition here. Double bonds conjugated with negative charge. Negative charge means full-filled p orbitals and double pi electrons here. Okay students, now I am putting the next condition here. What is the next condition? Double bond, single bond and negative charge. Okay student, now what is the example of this? CH2, I am putting the example CH2 double bond CH and CH2 minus. I can put now this example CH2 double bond CH double bond single bond and negative charge, right students? So what happens here? See, a negative charge shift here and double bonds, these pi electrons shift here. Then what structure we get? See student, what structure we get? CH2 CH, this CH2 here, negative charge shifts here, then pi electrons here convert into double bond. Okay students, and these double bonds shifts this on CH2 this carbon, then negative charge we get at this carbon, right student? See, this molecule is formation. two resonating structures are here. How many structures, students, are possible? Two are possible. CH2 double bond CH. Now negative charge shifts here and double bond shifts here, like this. See, students, can you draw molecular diagram, students? I am drawing the molecular diagram. See all three carbons here, and this two hydrogens here, and these two hydrogens are here. I am representing, and now this hydrogen, I show this like this. Okay, now see, students, these all three carbon, like before first example, these three carbons are having sp2 hybridization. Then one p unhybridized orbital I am showing like this. Sorry. Yeah. See, right now, and double bond means here two pi orbitals overlaps, and here this p orbital fulfilled with electron. Fulfilled with electron means here negative charge creates. This pi bond overlapping is taking place, and this carbon is fulfilled. Sorry, this carbon having fulfilled p orbital means negative charge is here. Now what happens? This negative charge shifts here like this. See, students, and this pi bond electron shifts at this carbon. Now what we get the structure? CH2 C H, and here all p orbitals I am representing. See, like this. This is last p orbital. Now what you observe here, negative charge, minus charge, then here electrons, pi electron shifts here this at this carbon. Now I can put negative charge at this carbon before it have pi bond hai na. Now see, and here two both pi orbitals overlaps, and we get this structure. See, students, see, here is negative charge and here is pi. This is conjugation, students. This is conjugation, and here two resonating structures are possible. Students, once try yourself. Listen carefully. I will give you a question. See the example. See the question. This molecule shows resonance or not? This molecule shows resonance or not? Yes, it shows. Why? Because it has one pi bond, single bond, negative charge. Right now, it have double bond, single bond, double bond, this condition, and double bond, single bond, negative charge. Both portion is in conjugation, right, students? And that's why it shows resonance. How it shows resonance, students? I am showing this. See, students, this is the ring, and this is negative charge here, and double bond, single bond, and double bond. Okay, now what happened here? Negative charge shift here, and double bond shift here as negative charge. So, students, I can draw the structure. Here negative charge shifts here like a double bond, as a double bond, and this double bond shifts here as a negative charge, right, students? Now this double bond remains here as it is. What we get next structure? See, students, this negative charge shift here, and this double bond shifts here as a negative charge. The next structure is, see, students, this negative charge remain like as it is, and this negative charge is here, and this double bond or pi electron shift as a negative charge here. See students, both these structures carefully. All negative charge or electron delocalizing here. Now in next structure, what it do? In next structure, here is no pi orbital in conjugation. See students, see, here is negative charge, single bond, and here is no pi double bond or negative charge or positive charge. So this negative charge will not shifts here. Okay, sorry, this negative charge shifts here, but no, it get not reversible. Reverse is not possible. So students, here negative charge shifts here, and see, once again I am repeating, this negative charge shifts here, but here is not pi orbital for shifting as a negative charge, right student? Now here two double bonds are remaining as it is, and here negative charge shifts here pi double bond, but here is not negative charge, single bond, double bond should be here na, but here is not double bond, so only minus charge shifts here like this. Means how many resonating structures are there? 1 2 3 4 resonating structures are possible for this molecule. Is it clear students? Students, these are little bit explaining of conjugation. Today we'll be able to do this much. We will continue this in next video. Thank you students.